guys here. They'll be here any minute. We'll kind of get everything set up and start getting ready for the day.
And guys, listen up.
How are you guys doing?
Good. How are you?
Good to see y'all. It's going to be a lot nicer today.
Let's hope so, huh?
All right, getting prepared for the day. Warming up. Hopefully the wind stays down. And I think we'll do some good things today. We're about to witness McCormick getting into his Too Soon Junior STI.
Because I was too cheap to buy a good trailer.
That's straight up Dukes of Hazzard.
Dude. Oh, my back.
It looks like you're being birthed backwards.
Oh, bruh. I feel like I'm being birthed backwards.
So what are we doing to prep the car this morning, Grant?
Just gonna do a quick oil change. Just check everything over, make sure everything's tight. Put a little bit of heat in and then go make another qualifying pass. And I guess straight to eliminations after that, so we'll see.
So what are y'all doing right now?
Well, we're just taking the underbody off because kind of tore it up yesterday, so we're gonna run without it and we'll fix it when we get back to the shop. We don't need this where we're going. We'll just turn the boost up a smidge more and act like this. We'll make up for the lost era, but it sucks because Grant put a lot of time into this and I really was liking to see it shine, but yeah, unfortunately oh, I forgot that beautiful brace you built. Wash your hands, do not cut yourself. Do you want me to yank on it? I don't know if that or my missing a screw.
I think they were running a small tire in 9.0 or something. Ain't nothing
high roller. Not talking to me. Not talking to me. Ow.
Yeah.
Smoking your way on down here.
Yeah, it's a great car.
We're gonna have a conversation lightly. Oh, what? Hold on.
Yeah. It's not starting.
Okay. Ready?
Hold on. Go.
I feel nauseous, believe me. Never had a lot of shit come easy. Had to work hard, struggle just to be me. Had to rise up just so they could see me. Did what I had to do just to feed me. And what was left over I put towards my dreaming. But the only thing in life that has meaning are the things you gotta work for, believe me. Take into your hands a plan. Your own hands can land your own brand. And damn, I feel like no one takes accountability. They want the credibility, convincingly unwilling to put in the hours it takes to get some power. Don't be f***ing sour. Take a cold shower. Scream until you're louder. Work until you're prouder. And f*** all the doubters, they're just your downers. I swear to God they all let me down. I always fought just to wear the crown. I'm f***ed off at these f***ing clowns who were all taught they deserve an ounce. It's only worth it if you work for it. It's only worth it if you work for it. I won't stop till they hear me now. I won't stop till I wear the crown. I'm just telling you to fight for your dreams, but it's not what it seems. Man, it's hard to be seen when everybody wants to be king. Yeah, they all wanna ring, yeah, we all wanna be free. So show me what you got, what you bring, how you fight in the ring, how you take a fucking swing. Do you got heart, are you mean? Got some scars, got some needs, are you willing to go bleed? I swear to God they all let me down. I always fought just to wear the crown. I'm off at these fucking clowns who were all taught they deserve an ounce. It's only worth it if you work for it. It's only worth it if you work for it. I won't stop till they hear me now. I won't stop till I wear the crown. I swear to God they all let me down. I always fought just to wear the crown. I'm off at these fucking clowns who were all taught they deserve an ounce. It's only worth it if you work for it. It's only worth it if you work for it. I won't stop till
9:156. Yo, Grant, was that a new PB?
Yes, it was 9.1. So
Woo.
I didn't even know what the mile an hour was, but
It's like 156 plus.
nice. Yeah, he slow shifted to 1.2, so that should put us pretty good in doing elimination. So we'll see. 9.1. That should put us kind of towards the top of that class. So hopefully we can get the 8 in eliminations.
Yes.
Thank you guys. Good work.
All right, let's go faster.
Good job. Thank you, bro. That wasn't even nailing the 1.2.
Huh?
You didn't even nail the 1.2 either. You were slow shifting.
Yeah.
That was
1.360 foot.
oh my god.
Yeah, it felt going good.
360 foot.
1.3. I love just that. Just leave it right there. Yeah. But I'm losing parts off of it again though. Fender liner's somewhere back there.
Yeah, I saw that the left side one.
Yeah.
It'll turn up.
9.1. Damn. That's freaking awesome, dude.
Amazing.
That's good.
Wow, it felt amazing, dude.
Almost like that. 602. That's a PB by 210s, right?
Yeah.
Now that the transmission does what it should, I mean, we could have been in this all the time.
That's fast, dude, for part of that weight.
Yeah.
So you have more left?
Yeah, it's only on 40 pounds. So it's chill.
How's everything looking, Ben?
It's perfect. Perfect? Yeah, running great, just like it did on the hub dyno the other day. So we actually have it turned down quite a bit. So at you know, I would say like at Texas 2K and some of the better track surfaces, maybe run like close to 50 pounds of boost at times. And this car today is running 38, 39 pounds of boost. And for the Super 99, 38 pounds, 39 pounds, to trap 156 is pretty good. So I'm really happy with it.
Hey, Steven.
What's up, man?
How was your pass?
It was good. Car's running great. We went 10.8 at 140. Mile an hour's there. I missed, can't believe I did this, but I missed second gear and it still went 140. So, you know, the 9-second pass is there. That's where I'm hoping to do this weekend. I just want a new PB. Don't really care too much about eliminations or anything. I'm just here to race and have fun with my boys. That's about it.
Yeah.
So,
You're doing good, man.
thanks, brother. Appreciate you.
How's everything going?
Oh, good, good.
Good?
Car's moving.
That's awesome,
Even
brother.
missing gears, it still traps 140. So.
Yep, I love it. Yesterday it was kind of cold though, so the trans fluid was probably a little bit cold after the cruise because we sat around for a little while. But hey, it's still got that mile an hour in there.
Oh yeah, I'm ready. I'm ready to go. I think if I wouldn't have missed that gear, I think it would have went probably 143, 145.
I think so too. It left super hard.
Oh,
I'm
yeah.
super proud of you, man.
Oh yeah.
I can't wait for this year for TX2K. He's going to bring the car back around January, and we're going to do some changes to it. We're going to move it over to a standalone ECU. Ben's going to do his thing. Grant and I are going to do their thing, and we're really excited to get him in the 9s.
Eventually move to a school truck.
On the right side. Just three. Go right over. Right on down. Tina Pierce gonna ride a green Dane 12 on for Bill Booth. Up and in. What do we got down there? 741 at 198. 7, wind line going to the 55 and 1055, 130.
Goes down the track, he's going to go a 902. He's going to be really pissed that he's 200s away. He's going to go to 90.
What a race.
Yeah, that's a good one.
We need you to the back of the stage. Index 90 index. We need you to the back of the lane.
Go! Yes!
I'll tell you what. This shift car.
Check the mic and make sure it sound right, boys.
Here's your opponent right here. Behind you. Awesome race, bro. Take care. Thank you for the run. Yeah. Good to see you, bro.
Yeah.
Great run, dude.
57?
Just about in the fives.
Yeah. 67.
I was better on the 1-2 shit.
Well, don't.
It sound right, boys.
$10.49
Barrels of chips. Oh my god.
to $10.57.
Great driving, bro. How consistent is this mother?
Where the hell is the damn? There it is.
1040s at 138. They were going crazy on the mics. He let out a little too early. He got nervous.
He let out.
Yeah.
Super
he got nervous.
early.
He got back on it.
Like I was coming up on him and I was like, oh shit, he let out. I'm good. I'm good. And then like it was literally.
They said 9,000.
Right there, dude.
So what
All the
happened, Grant?
gears, make sure everything's good.
We got a. What round is this? Third round. So third round we got to buy. So there's 2 cars left plus us. There's 3 cars. So we're automatically in the semifinals. So I think we're going up against the vet. We're gonna have to see when we get up there. But either way, we're in the semifinals.
Y'all be safe. Take care.
Hopefully, we're gonna get that 8-second pass this time. We're gonna send it to the moon.
Yep.
I know, you're right.
You might as well get it over with.
Yeah.
Just think of this. It's another Corvette.
Yeah. We'll give it the best.
It's our favorite.
Yeah, we'll do the best. Yeah. We'll deal with it. Yeah, we'll just do the best we can.
I mean, what's the tag say?
No, honestly, the one thing, the thing that he is, since he's racing a lot, he's going to be cutting lights.
Oh, sure.
So
it's just
another practice.
Fast one. Getting in. Although he is hot.
It's cold enough outside though.
It'll cool off quick. Yeah.
I bet he's got one of those killers.
Sounds like it's still running.
It'll still start running.
Yeah, I broke dry shaft again. That's like the 10th time.
Leave the wall of shame. It's okay.
How many just won? You should be in the finish lane, please. 9 home today. Get on.
Dude, look at the yoke on the drive shaft.
Merry Christmas, brother.
That's a necklace.
This thing was 60 on pack.
The trans is something. It felt so good. so much,
You're welcome,
bro.
buddy.
Oh my god.
Is that the rest of it?
Dude, what happened?
Man, I was going to see that race too.
Yeah, that thing was on the pass.
Man!
Could have been a close one.
Alright everybody, so we have the Subaru off the racetrack, tough break,
you tell
broke
us
the
what that
output
is?
shaft on the old transmission.
Damn.
Uh-oh.
I literally just put that in before we left. It was brand new.
Right there.
Oh yeah. That was an awesome race, man. Thank you. Wow. Yeah, thank you so much.
That was a brand new.
Look at it, it twisted the...
Yeah. It like twisted it, then broke it.
Yeah. That bitch was biting.
I'm fucking trying to grab him. Wiley to run off down the drag strip. Wiley out in front.
Did it leave hard?
Yeah. No, it left hard.
Did it leave hard? No, I was late on the light too again.
Yeah, the driver states didn't leave hard.
Yeah. Well, driver said I'm waiting. Yeah. Man.
Tell us what happened.
Well, we just broke it, something with the output shaft, and did the best we could, went rounds, and can't really ask for more. So it's just part of racing, and it's unfortunate because I think that would have been an awesome race between the ZR1 and the STI, but we'll try it again next time. They're locals to Oklahoma, and amazing sportsmanship. His buddy helped push the car back, which is remarkable, and it's just really cool to see. So thank you all, and congrats to the ZR1.
Jeremy Wilson, if you want to make a buy run, we need you up there as soon as possible, please.
Oh, some two dudes
Well,
that were talking about
we did some pretty good stuff this weekend, hit a new personal best, had a lot of fun, the cruise was successful.
I was going to, I was like, I'll pull my car.
I think it's a pretty good time.
I'm going.
Well, we will see you guys at the next event or the next YouTube video.